shapeable soap. But it did. Look at that. Like I said, this is a cooking adventure here. Welcome to Saturday, everybody. Pretty chilly Saturday. I was loving that warm weather we were having. Now we're having a chilly day. Chili sounds really good right now. Baked potatoes, sour cream, cheese. It's almost supper time. Anyway, we are at a farm right now. Titus is here shoeing or trimming. I think trimming, just trimming a mule. So we all came with him because after this, we're going to a new Western store. The boys have been wanting to go to it. It's Boot Barn, but it's a new one. It's supposed to be a really, really, really big Boot Barn. So we're gonna go there, and after they finish up in the Boot Barn, there's a Marshall's in that town. So me and Cece are gonna go into Marshall's. We'll probably just get something to eat from somewhere. So this morning, I was gonna go get the chicks and everything, but we don't have the brooder box ready yet. Titus had some work to do earlier today, and then when he got back home, it was almost time to leave to come here, and then that's when we decided to go to Boot Barn and all that stuff. So hopefully they can work on that for me some, maybe tomorrow afternoon or evening or something, and we can get the chicks within the next couple of days anyway. And maybe the weather will be warmer by then. I think this was the only cool day we're supposed to have, and then it's supposed to warm back up. I mean, that's what the weather says, but we all know how that goes. I just looked at the weather. It's like everyday rain, except for 2 days, and they're still partly cloudy.
I found you.
Here we are. This used to be a Ryan's, was it?
Yeah.
It is now a Boot Barn.
It did. I hope I don't get in here and ask for a use.
Be like, do y'all still got that butter y'all used to have?
Yeah, the
I'll
honey butter.
take extra.
I just got my hat.
I like it.
Yeah. I got cool.
Yeah, you're looking like a cool dude. That's what I think to say.
What are those guys?
Those are mannequins.
Oh.
They got lots of stuff in here.
Yeah, because they got tubes.
Yeah.
Look at this new hat.
Yeah, that is a new hat. Let's don't touch it though. Let's just look. Let's play the look, don't touch game. How about that? Sound good?
Yeah. Look, there are holes in that one.
Yeah. What is this?
Don't touch.
Oh yes, no touching, no touching. I forgot. We're playing
Yeah.
the look, don't touch game.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Very fuzzy thing.
Yeah, it is a fuzzy thing. It goes on hats.
Yeah.
We found a sale rack. This is where we belong, over here at the sale rack. Marshall's, here we come. Oh no, we don't. We're going this way. Marshall's has the D&W pants. This one is really pretty. It's just this color with the quilted looking pattern, and then on the inside it's all speckled. And then they have this size the same way, speckled on the inside. They have more springy candles here than TJ Maxx had the other day. Martha Stewart, she got some candles. I didn't know she had some. We have Tropical Sunset up here.
Let's see what we got here. Tropical Sunset.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
let me see.
That's a good smell. You want to get that?
Yeah, that one smells good, yeah.
Right there. I'll put you in the spring.
What is
kind of
this
feel.
one? It looks like it has vanilla cupcakes on the lid.
Right here?
Yeah. Oh, it's vanilla cupcake.
That's what it's called. Vanilla cupcake. That smells kind of like September to me.
Oh, it smells too September-y? Okay.
Happiness. Anybody need any?
It smells like a kind of a perfumey pancake.
You want that? We
No,
want sadness.
I don't think I like
We'll
it.
take sadness.
Oh, lilac blooms. I bet that one smells good. It's the DW Home candle. They have a really good throw. You know about that? What about this apricot and rose? That one might smell
Right here?
good. Mm-hmm.
This?
Yeah,
This is going to smell like October, I do believe.
because it's orange.
Oh, that right there, no. Right there, no.
Oh, that one smells springy. That one smells
Get that
good.
one?
Yeah, let's do that one.
All right.
Look at the little duck. That's cute. Oh, look at the sloth, Sissy. That's adorable. Hang that in your bathroom. That is adorable. Look at the rain boot. Look at that. Put that on your kitchen windowsill. That is adorable.
Want to get that?
I like the one with the polka dots. But no, it's $12.99. It'll be fine. We'll look at it
Wait till
right
they
here.
put it on sale,
This is another one, then film it. We'll just
Yeah.
film it. Go back and look at it.
Yeah. Rewind it, look at the boot, and then go over and look at your window.
Oh, let's film all this.
Yeah.
It's everywhere. It's in the bathroom. It's in the living room. Bath and Body Works up next. And what is that smell? Do you smell that?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't even see that. What is it? I don't even know what they have over there, but it smells good in that food truck right there. Watermelon. Pink pineapple sunrise. Golden mango lagoon. It smells citrusy, orangey. Among the clouds. You want to smell this one? I cut my thumb. Y'all, I got Snoopy in here with me. Shapeable soap. You can shape it, I guess. Sissy's gonna try this shapeable soap. Easter soap, Tutti Frutti candy. Happy Easter candle, the Tutti Frutti. Then we have, oh, carrot cake. I bet that one smells good. Flower child, blush, geranium and fern, tea rose, pink lilac and vanilla. These are buy 3, get 1 free, the mini ones. You like these? What they got? Oh, sausages, fries, and hot dogs. That looks really good. It smells good. Our last stop of the night is Simply Southern, and then the boys want to go to one more Western store. They've already been to 2. There's one more in that, well, there may be more than one more, but there's one more that they want to go to in this town. Buy one, get one 50% off. These little baskets, they're cute. They have little turtles on them. Oh, and they have big ones. These are kind of cute. Oh, and they're on sale for $9.99. They also have these. Are they also $9.99? Oh, they're only $5.99. Got a 7. Oh, I'm falling. Sissy's trying one on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So far, we found great deals on these little shoes. They are only $5.99 a pair. Sissy got some with stars and this little design, and I got the matching ones like those. I know y'all can't see it real good right now, but this dress is only $5.99. Y'all, I didn't think that dress was gonna ring up for $5.99, but it did. And the shoes were all $5.99 each. That was great. Go to Simply Southern if you got one. They had a lot of stuff marked down for like only $1.99 or $5.99. Did they drive over to where we were? We found them. Good morning. We're about to go on a little cooking adventure here.
Cooking adventure.
Yes, a cooking adventure. I saw this recipe for a magic banana custard cake. These are all the ingredients you need. So when this is finished, it's supposed to be like a 3-layer cake. Like there's going to be a cake layer on top, a custard layer, and then a bottom layer that's, I'm not really quite sure what the bottom layer is supposed to be like, but it's supposed to be a 3-layer thing. So we're gonna give this a try. I was gonna make a banana pudding for our Sunday dessert for Sunday dinner, but I'm out of heavy cream and I don't have any Cool Whip. Then I remembered this magic banana custard cake. We're gonna try it. I wanna go ahead and make it this morning. That way it'll be ready for this evening because it needs to sit for a little while. And plus, since you have to do a few different steps with it, I don't want to have to worry about doing that when we're cooking supper. I almost made this last night, but I was sleepy and did not. Okay, let's bring over the KitchenAid. Today I have a dinosaur Band-Aid. First I need to separate the eggs, so I'm going to do that real quick. The yolks are going to go in here, and I'm going to put the whites in this little bowl. I'm going to try to not make a big old mess. Okay, so in here with the yolks, we're putting 3/4 of a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're gonna go ahead and mix all that together. Okay, now we're putting in a tablespoon of water. It said to mix those yolks and sugars until it was a pale yellow color. So now we put in the tablespoon of water, and we're gonna put 1/2 cup of melted butter. Now we're gonna mix this for about 1 to 2 minutes. while that's mixing, I'm gonna go ahead and mash this banana.
Here it goes.
Oh, thanks. Giving me your banana?
Yeah?
Are you ready to get ready?
Yeah, I want it.
Okay, I got your clothes already ready for you.
I think that's funny.
All right, we're adding in the mashed up banana. We're gonna mix that. You wanna see?
Can I mash my banana?
Yeah, you want your banana mashed.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We mix again. Slowly at first so we don't have a flour attack. Now we have 2 cups of milk. We're gonna slowly add that in and a teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm just gonna let it mix, and a little bit at a time, I'm gonna add the milk and the vanilla in. We'll go ahead and put some of it in there. Okay, now I'm just gonna pour this into a separate bowl. It's really thin, and the recipe said it was supposed to be that way. It's a very thin batter. Okay, I got this bowl washed out. Now we're gonna pour in the egg whites, and we're just gonna whip them up until they form peaks. I haven't tasted it yet. Okay, the egg whites are ready. We're gonna gradually fold them in like 3 parts at a time. This is where it gets tricky. You don't want to overfold in the egg whites. You want it to be just right. And it's okay if there are a few clumps of egg white here and there. You don't want to over mix it. This is how we're looking. We still have the last part to mix in. Now we just pour in the batter. Oh, this is kind of full. It said 8 by 8, y'all. That's what it said. Like I said, this is a cooking adventure here. Okay, now it said the egg whites would rise to the top, of course. We see that happening. Okay, now this goes in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, y'all, it's a long time later, and though we are not ready for dessert yet, I wasn't gonna leave y'all hanging on this 3-layer thing. We've got to see if it happened. Do you think we're gonna have 3 layers?
Just one.
Just one?
3 of them.
You think there'll be 3?
Yeah.
Okay. He seems doubtful. I am too. I'm a little doubtful. Let's see. So it's still a little jiggly in the middle, but it said that that would be normal. Okay. At least I see that we can cut it. I was worried it was going to just completely fall apart. Now, it's been cooling for a really long time. It's easily coming out of the pan. It's 3 layers. My cake layer's a little thicker than the picture looked on the recipe, but there are 3 layers.
Wow, I told you there were 3.
Yeah, you did. You want to see what it tastes like?
Yeah.
So the top layer is definitely cakey, and then you have a little bit of a meringue on the top. The middle layer, my middle layer is really small, and then the bottom layer, you know, is bigger. It's good, and it worked. I was afraid mine was gonna all mix together and just be one, you know, one thing. So the bottom layer is almost, it's almost like a banana cream pie, but firmer than pie filling, a little firmer. The middle is supposed to be the custard part. Maybe I baked it a little too long. I only went 45 minutes, but my oven does cook stuff faster, so I'm thinking that's what happened there. I just baked it a little too long, but yeah, it's good.